Hi, my name's Chloe, and you might know me on Instagram as the Cooling Girl. And I'm here today at FDL Cheese to undertake their annual service on this downforce unit that my company Delta T Refrigeration installed last June. So today I'm using the Testo Digital 558s manifold, and this is going to check my high side and low side pressures to make sure that we've got sufficient refrigerant in the right parts of the system at the correct pressures. So I'm going to be using the Testo 558s clamp meter to check my current draw across my phases. I'm going to be checking the subcool of this unit, and I'm going to be using the Testo 115i temperature clamp, check my discharge line temperature and convert that with the pressure on the manifold to make sure that we've got the correct reading. So the Testo Smart Probes helped us to improve our workflow and our efficiency when commissioning the system. We got all the Smart Probes out and plugged them into the system. The vac gauge in particular was so important because it meant that we didn't have to be stood 100 meters away at the evaporator when we were taking the measurements. It was logging the data via the Testo Smart app, and that's something that we could give to the client afterwards. So we have actually had up to 3 generations of Testo manifolds now, and I think in the first instance it was about the robustness, but I think that the product innovation that Testo have had over the years have kept us engaged with their products and their manifolds. They move with the times, and I think that's really important when you're trying to be more efficient as a business.